My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Anita Handler don allegedly come out to control other housemates with her account, and the thing don go wrong. And also, Onyeka and her sister Chizoba, they don finally come out to come reveal to the general public say they no be sisters after they fight and they expose some secret about themselves. So Anita, for the people dat Naija no lose guard season, her handler wey be say dey for Twitter and IG, the handler don go lose guard. So as we all know, Anita and Topper dey do relationship for inside the Big Brother house, and by mistake Anita handler come out to control Topper without switching account to burner account. As we all know, some housemates dey always throw people to dey throw their fellow housemates, but they dey always use burner account. Even me wey be say be blogger, most of the time if I wan go attack person, I no dey use my direct account, I go use another burner account. Na so dem dey do am. If you know say you no want make dem know say na you dey do am. So a particular person come out to come tweet something wey make Anita handler come respond. The person say, you people are not okay in the head. You think Topper doesn't have class because he doesn't talk? Do you know Christopher Joseph Bassi? People don dey talk down on Topper because of the way they do like mumu for inside the house. E be like who dey push. So people dey always curse the boy. They say he no get sense, nothing, he no get steez and all of that. But this person they try to explain to say it's like the boy actually come from a wealthy family, and people they know they talk about the family because they not get name. So Anita handler come quote that tweet, come type, come say it's not about family or money, it's about packaging. Money cannot buy class. That boy no get class, abeg. He can't even communicate fluently without fidgeting. The handler not stop for there. He can't go dey attack Kelly Ray. Can't say even Kelly Ray knows he's not giving. He said he's floating in the house and doesn't know what is keeping him afloat. Come put laughing emoji. Later, when her eye can't open, say, I dey use this girl account, say they talk all these things, say they throw her fellow housemate to come run go delete the tweet. But before he delete am, Nigerians fans, we be Naija fans, they don't screenshot the whole thing and they don't post, and bloggers don't carry am. First of all, if we want even start from the starting, Anita no dey give us any content inside that house. Now Topper na be the only content wey Anita don't ever give us since this show starts. My eye and una eye no fit be the same. To me, I no go fit classify Anita as Queen Calypso, the one that they loud and say she's so beautiful. If they put Anita, put Nelly, we wanna check those two people where. If they put Anita and I put Nelly, who fine pass? Just look Nelly face. Forget the fake yash when Nelly carry for back. Look the face, look the body structure. We'll leave her for there. As much as people they call Victoria furniture, there is nobody where be furniture reach Anita for that house. Nobody comes close. So as the whole thing don't unfold like this, breeze don't blow, Fawanyash door open, Anita handler have been exposed. He can't come out to come turn the thing. You want use sense for on all of us. So now she can't come out, can't say no, say na person I hack the account, say they hack the account, say the person where hack the account na bad man. Say hack the account. This na the picture as you see for the screen. Because he come out to tweet, come say, dear Thomas and the general public, we deeply regret the situation that occurred last night. It has been a crazy set of hours for all of us. Anita fans, management, well-wishers, and even fans of the other housemates who were worried too. Your favorite girl, Anita, blah blah blah. Una remember for shine your eye, and so white money come out too. They say they hack your account. Should they hack labor your own? Be which person you own again? They say they hack. All those ones we know the game. Una not fit deceive us. We see how fans react after this kind of mistake wey be say Anita handler make for Twitter. This person here come and say Anita's handler is a true, and I'm surprised her family/friends allowed this to become this bad before the handler was let go. And it's annoying that Anita is nice in the house, but her handler decided to put sand in her garri. Another person said the person forgot to switch account. The next one say God of Kelly Ray is working for him. You can't fight grace. Another person say the handler effed up, and that hacked account claim was so predictable and flat. They should let that handler go because he or she is sabotaging Anita's game. To me, that handler don't finish Anita pata for this show. I just hope say Anita fans they strong enough to fit hold her down, because with all these things when we say this handler don't do, it does spoil show. It don't really pour sansan for Anita garri. So onto the Checkers war, Chizoba and her sister Onyeka they fight war where we say the whole nation they on standstill. According to Chizoba, she dey complain to say Onyeka dey very self-centered. Onyeka no dey reason another person matter. Say Onyeka dey always make side comments about their family wey be say dey piss her off. Remember say on Sunday Ebuka expose some things wey be say Onyeka talk behind her sister back wey be Chizoba, and that thing still dey vex Chizoba since then. According to Chizoba, she dey claim to say Onyeka go dey for back, dey talk certain things, bad things about her for her back, then go come for front, come dey claim sister and all of that. Go ahead to tell Onyeka say Onyeka should be ashamed of herself. Onyeka on the other hand come tell Chizoba say you are very very stupid. So in the heat of the argument, Chizoba come waka comot, come just dey lament or say Onyeka is just so self-centered, the most self-centered person wey be say she dey ever see. Say every time Onyeka go dey talk say Chizoba mama no like her wey be Onyeka, whereas he go come later come dey talk say they are sisters. So Onyeka, as Chizoba waka leave Onyeka, Mbadiwe twin OC call dey tell her say make he go apologize to her sister Chizoba. Say the sister dey angry. Onyeka say never, she no go apologize to Chizoba. Say anything Chizoba like me Chizoba do. They say anything where be say your blood do, you not supposed to pain you reach your bone. Yes, we know to say some family not be family the way we take see them. Family is not actually determined by blood. If you want to accept the truth, there are some strangers you meet and they will play a role of family than your own flesh and blood. But at the end of the day, we will still remember say family is family, because now you and this girl come into the show. Onyeka and Chizoba come into the show as sisters, as they claim. Only for us to hear today say they not be sisters. One thing wey I don't notice about Onyeka not send anybody for that house. Now one thing about that girl, she is always everywhere and she not get anything good to talk about anybody. All the friendship wey be say she dey do for that house, all of them are just fake in my own opinion. It's all fake. If you feel they talk bad things about your own flesh and blood, okay, mom will say una two not be sisters or whatever, but una two come into the house as a pair. If you feel turn your back on your pair just like that, shall take am easy. So make we see as fans stay react, as their fans, checker fans stay react for this gbasgbos wey happen between she and her sister. So the first person here say Onyeka isn't big on family, and she's forgetting that in the end, it's only your family that truly has your back. She will do anything for the game, even throw her sister under the bus. That's very vile. Person can put emoji where they throw up. Another one go say Onyeka only thinking about money and saying whatever will cause conversation and give pity or drama. The love of money is the root of all evil. We know say 100 million big, especially now with the way the economy is. 100 million is a lot of money, a lot. But I don't think so I go fit just sell my blood, my sister, just like that because I dey try to chase money. Family go always dey. Money go finish one day, whether you like it or not. If you no invest away, go finish. Even the one when you invest to yourself, something fit come, the money go disappear. But your family go still there for you. Onyeka need to wise up and settle with her sister. Make she not allow pride make her spoil the relationship wey be say they get over all these years. Una take care, una bye.